Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom. Let me do what I do best. Slow down, let me talk to you. Don't tell me about your worries, I ain't staying till the afternoon. I left you in proximity, but now they're so far from the truth. I loved you from a distance, now I can't even stay close to you. But who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom. Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you.
Alright, you guys, we are off to the storage unit. It's finally my day out of quarantine, so I have so many orders to fulfill. This is my first thing that I'm doing. I didn't even get to go to the gym today because I'm waiting a little bit longer until I go back. But we're gonna go to the storage unit. We're gonna do all of our orders. We have so many, and we have to package for Amazon just a little bit, and then we'll just slowly start catching up again. So let's go.
Healing in this dry. I've been singing to the ceiling, learning how to live without.
Okay, I'm here at the storage unit now. Bad thing is that they always play music, so I have to put music over this. So you guys are just gonna see me work. I'm gonna try to do it fast because I have to do some other stuff today. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my packaging day, and let's get to it. So we are now on the couch. It is the afternoon now. It's 12:30. Yeah, 12:30. And I am having my Theraflu because if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, then you probably missed that I was quarantining for like the whole week because I got sick, unfortunately. But today was officially my first day out of quarantine. So that's why I went to the storage unit, had to catch up on a bunch of orders. I didn't film like everything for you guys just because I really wanted to get them done. Anyways, I'm waiting for a delivery to come that I have to sign for, and it should be coming like within the next hour. So I'm just gonna be working on the couch until the delivery comes, and then later I'm gonna go grocery shopping because I really need to go grocery shopping. I don't even know what I was eating the last few days of quarantine. I was just eating whatever I had, and that's basically nothing. So I really want to just get some healthy stuff and just try to get back into my routine. You guys know me, I hate getting out of my routine. I haven't been to the gym for a week and I'm freaking out because it's literally my therapy at this point. And if I don't get to go to the gym, then it really sucks, but obviously I just want to be safe and keep others safe. So I'm waiting a bit longer to go back to the gym. I'm just glad that I can at least go out of my apartment and just take the safety precautions, of course. What I was actually trying to film for you guys on like my second to last day of quarantine was a like cleanup. I cleaned the entire apartment and I was trying so hard to film for you guys, but I couldn't. Like, I was losing my breath when I was trying to talk to the camera. I just wanted to clean, and then by the time like I was halfway done cleaning, I was just so like out of it. So I couldn't film that whole like cleaning like reset for you guys. I literally cleaned the entire apartment, super happy about it, because there's nothing like being able to chill in your clean space after just doing basically a deep clean. So really happy that I did that. I did some organizing and I feel like that definitely helped me. So we're trying to just ease into it. Like I said, I'm gonna work here on the couch for a little bit. I think for like an hour or two until the delivery comes and I can head out. But that's just gonna be the work day today. Very different, and yeah, just taking it slow. So 10 out of 10 recommend. Let's do some emails, and I'm also going to be doing some editing. So let's do that. Oh my gosh, I need to show you guys because I got so tagged with this right now. Okay, so Sierra and Nevada reached out to me because they wanted to send me some of their new hard kombucha to try. So of course I said yes, and they just dropped it off. And I'm really excited. So their new hard kombucha brand is called Strange Beast. Love that. I love kombucha, love hard kombucha. I'm going to share over on my stories, of course, as a thank you. And then I was so confused because I got a random package, and I think this was my birthday gift from my best friend. Look at how cute this is. I need to open it. How cute is this? I think it's all the way in. I have to like try to push it more in. But look at how cute. It's from our road trip to Arizona last year. And this trip was seriously just so special for me and my best friend. And I love it. And look at how cool. Okay, I don't know if you could see. So the song is Save Your Tears by The Weeknd, because this is literally like our song that we played the entire trip, and just the whole trip was so meaningful. But I love it. It's so cute. I think it's gonna have to go over here somewhere. Oh my gosh, this is too cute. I love it. And it's so cute. You literally just scan it and then it'll start playing the song. Wait, I want to try it. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. I love it. Anna, if you're watching, I love you. I just texted her. That was so sweet. And then the other package that I got was Vellabox. I have to post on my stories as well as a thank you. So what we have is, of course, our monthly candle. They have been doing some larger candles these days and I love them. And then Osea Malibu, who I love to work with all the time. They sent over their newest product and it's their body butter. So really excited to try that out. Gonna post that on my stories as well as a thank you. I always like to share on my stories as a thank you to the brands that send me stuff, because I really, really appreciate it. While I'm at it, I might as well show you guys this other package that just came in from REI. So excited! Yes! Okay, I got a few things. First, I got these socks because I've been needing more hiking socks. Then I got a windbreaker because I've been needing one for so long. So I just got one by the North Face. And then I got my backpack. I'm so happy about it. Look at how beautiful this color is. Yay! I'm so excited. This is just what I needed. I was stuck between this color or the green color, but I'm really glad that I went with the orange. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be using it on my hike this weekend for the first time. So stoked. Alright guys, so I have my sunglasses on, we're ready to go. I decided I just want to get Trader Joe's over with because people are going to be getting off of work soon and it could get more packed. So let's just get our shopping done right now, and then that way I could just work for however much longer I want to work, and then I'll just enjoy my evening. So yeah, let's go and get some food. And we are double masking it over here these days. It's seriously so hot outside, you guys, and the sweater's not helping. But anyways, I decided that I really want to put everything away, and then I'm going to go to the park and enjoy my wrap with another snack and have lunch at the park because I never do that. And I know I should do more of that stuff. So I'm gonna hurry up and do this, and I'm gonna take my laptop and we're just gonna enjoy lunch and work a little bit at the park. Today's just a chill work day because we're trying to get 100% healthy. Yeah, I think it's a good idea. I'm excited now. And yeah, I think it's gonna be fun. Also, I got so much stuff from Trader Joe's. And tell me how it was just $87. I swear Trader Joe's is the best. Seriously the best. But anyways, I'm gonna put all this stuff away and then I'll see you guys at the park. I'm excited.